Vent termination clearance thumb rule of house construction requires careful placement to prevent odors and meet code. Vents should terminate so exhaust is carried away from living spaces and operable windows, and a common practical guideline is to place the vent at least 10 feet horizontally from any operable window. Measure along the plane of the wall or roof where the window and vent align, and if the profile or roof geometry changes, use the shortest clear path for the measurement. Where 10 feet is not achievable, elevate the vent termination so it discharges well above the highest adjacent operable window opening, typically a foot or more above the eave line, and confirm exact heights with local authority having jurisdiction because codes vary. Install a screened and weatherproofed vent cap to reduce bird and pest entry while ensuring the screen mesh size does not clog and the cap design does not create back pressure. Choose corrosion-resistant materials like stainless steel or high-grade plastic for coastal climates. Run the vent piping with downward-sloping runs away from the fixture where water could accumulate, and provide cleanouts or accessible junctions so the line can be cleared if needed. Maintain proper slope of 1/4 inch per foot where applicable for drainage. When routing through attics or other unconditioned spaces, insulate or protect pipes from freezing or condensation according to local practice, and seal any roof or wall penetrations with appropriate flashing and flexible sealant to prevent leaks. Always check both the building code and local amendments before finalizing placement, and document the measured clearances on plan notes so future owners or inspectors can verify compliance. 3 frequent mistakes are placing the vent too close to an operable window because the installer follows visual lines instead of measuring the shortest horizontal path. Fix by measuring the actual horizontal distance and relocating or extending the vent so it meets the 10-foot guideline or the applicable local requirement. A second issue is using an inadequate vent cap that traps debris or permits pest entry, which causes odors or blockages. Replace with a properly sized screened cap made of durable material and check it during routine maintenance. Third is failing to account for building geometry changes like dormers or raised decks that create nearer openings than expected. Resolve this by surveying the roof and wall surfaces from multiple vantage points before final termination and by recording the clearance on the as-built documents. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like vent termination clearance by helping people find local professionals and share practical job details. We host a discussion community where members ask questions, exchange field tips, and post real-world experiences about installations and local code interpretations.